Alright, we're here now with Jamaican striker Andre Gray. What's the mood like in the camp going into the game today?
Positive. We have to be. Look, it's not over yet. We know it's going to be difficult and it's out of our hands now, but we just know we have to go and win today, so that's what we're focused on.
Alright, so coming off of a goal the last game, how does it feel to score a goal in a World Cup qualifier?
Bittersweet, because obviously we lost the game and we wanted to win it, and yeah, it's obviously bittersweet, isn't it? It's obviously good to score in a World Cup qualifiers. It's a big achievement, but at the end of the day, it was the result that mattered, and it didn't.
Alright, so going forward, this is a question that I would have asked Maps and Bobby, and I'd love to ask Ravel too. Alright, going forward, will we be seeing Andre Gray for the Nations League? Because the Jamaican people love you guys regardless of where you were born. You have a passport, you're one of us right now, right? Will we be seeing you? Because we need to see you again. We want to see Andre Gray. Will we be seeing you going forward?
Yeah, 100%. As long as I get called up, I said I will never turn it down. And I think after this, whether we qualify or not, I think we need to build on something and get a base of the team, you know what I mean, and try and stay together and go through the Nations League and then go try and win the Gold Cup. And I think we're going to need that, and I think it's not about not coming for Nations League and then Gold Cup, you know what I mean. We need to build this now and stick to it, and then hopefully have the same core of players throughout. And obviously things change with injuries and whatnot, but I'm sure, speaking to especially the English-based boys, we all still want to be here, and we haven't just come here for the World Cup, you know what I mean. It's to go beyond this. So.
And the last question, you would be in your early 30s. You're still playing very well in the Championship, and I do believe that you'll be in the Premier League again before your career is over. Do you think you have 4 more in you to go again for 2026? Do you think it's a possibility?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, look at Maps, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I feel good. I've said it before that I don't feel any different to when I was 25. So yeah, I've still got it. I feel like I still got it in me. Obviously, time will tell with that, but I believe I will. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
big up, Andre. Yeah.